copper good or bad for your heart?
Depends on how you use it. You don't know how dirty the copper is. Like,
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So is copper good or bad for your heart?
Bad.
So is copper good or bad for your heart?
Good,
I'll go bad.
Okay. Why do you think that?
because iron's good for your heart and copper's another metal.
Because Greg said it was good, so I was gonna say no.
Copper is actually associated with increase in cholesterol levels. So if you don't have enough copper, that actually happens. If you don't have enough copper, clot formations and heart disease are prone to arise. A new study, they fed mice copper. Would you look at that? They actually saw improvement in those mice that had defective hearts, and the ones that weren't given copper actually died of heart failure.
Oh, what do you think potential benefits of copper for your bones?
I mean, I've seen Grey's Anatomy and they put like disinfected ping pong balls in people's stomachs. So maybe, I don't know, maybe like copper can help for like a broken bone or something like that, keep it in line. I don't know.
Okay. What do you think are potential benefits of copper for your bones?
Provide more nutrients.
Make them stronger.
Okay.
In recent studies concerning the relationship between copper and bones, researchers have actually found a correlation between them, bone density and bone strength. It has been tested that copper can have a positive impact on bone density, so it's just how the thickness of the bone. It has also been shown to be an essential part of metabolism of bone by working with certain enzymes to integrate collagen and elastin into the bone.
Copper sulfate is used for which of the following? Cancer treatment, heal bones quicker, clinically induced vomiting, or medicinal brain development?
The vomiting.
Vomiting.
So, 'cause
Alright, so copper sulfate was used for clinically induced vomiting, and it was actually used in the past. It isn't used anymore because it's too toxic. It is automatically triggered by its irritating effect on the gastrointestinal region of the body. Body will also find other ways to get copper out of the body. Excess copper is usually excreted. It's not usually stored in the body. Small amounts can also be eliminated through hairs and nails. The structure of copper sulfate is actually CuSO4, but the most common is CuSO4 with waters added onto that. And it actually creates these crystals, really nice blue crystals. And it is used for fungicides, herbicides, analytical reagents, and organic synthesis.
Which of the following does not contain copper? A nickel, hemoglobin, sunflower seeds, or an IUD, which is a form of birth control?
I'm gonna go with a nickel.
IUD.
Sunflower seeds?
No.
I'm gonna go seeds, bro. Like,
Seeds?
I don't.
No.
The answer for this question was actually hemoglobin, but nickel contains copper. It's actually made out of 75% of copper. Sunflower seeds have copper. Almonds have copper. Our phones nowadays have copper. All these have some kind, very minimal amounts of copper because you need it in your body. A deficiency in copper actually results in poorly formed red blood cells, also known as anemia. It is an antioxidant, helps eliminate free radicals.
What are some benefits of copper for the human body?
I don't know how it could be good for the body, to be honest.
It's an essential nutrient that helps certain body functions happen.
I don't know. You can get money out of it.
Not even close.
It makes you happy because you got money.
So there are a lot of benefits for copper throughout the human body. Copper is a mineral, and it's mainly found in the brain, heart, also the kidneys and skeletal muscles, like these. Copper combines with certain proteins to produce at least 13 different enzymes. Enzymes help specific biochemical reactions to occur throughout the body. A catalyst helps speed up these reactions, and they can also help maintain or repair connective tissue throughout the body. which is especially important for the heart and arteries to keep up. Copper helps the body make red blood cells to help repair. Enzymes can also help prevent anemia, which is low blood. And also bone disease, battling cell damage that occurs throughout the body. A very vital thing copper helps with is fetal and infant development. If moms have low copper, there are neurological and muscular problems that can occur that are irreversible in babies. It also helps with the pigmentation of skin and collagen that helps form your hair and your nails. Enzymes can also act as antioxidants to get rid of free radicals in the body. So there's a lot of benefits of copper for the human body.
What was copper most used for in 1900s hospitals?
The pipes,
Okay, how would that help the patients?
so they can get water.
I don't know that one.
Just answer something.
Something.
Do you even know what copper is?
Yes, I know what copper is.
I believe it was used to kill bacteria.
Copper in the early 1900s was most used for antimicrobial purposes in hospitals. It was used on surfaces that people touch regularly, like door handles, bathroom fixtures, bed rails. It helped curb nosocomial infections, which is like hospital-spread infections. But some of the research conducted has shown that solid copper can kill 99.8% of spores in less than 3 hours and 100% within 48 hours. Also through studies, dry copper surfaces compared to wet copper surfaces have better antimicrobial products, so they kill more germs. Dissolved copper ions play an important role in the killing process of microbes. Copper toxicity is also helpful in destroying the DNA of microbes.
How many grams of copper should you ingest daily?
At least 100.
No.
Probably only a couple grams. I know the body should have between 50 to 100 milligrams of copper.
22.
Well, contrary to answers, a person does not need to ingest a lot of copper, which some people did not know that. A person should consume around 0.0009 grams a day. People can obtain daily amounts of copper through foods like sunflower seeds, beef liver, some good old lentils, also dried apricots, almonds, and other foods as well. Those are the ones that have the most copper in them. Copper can be consumed through water bottles, cooking pans, and other sources, not through food. Consuming too much or too little copper can cause serious problems for the human body. Too much copper can cause hypertension, also known as low blood pressure, heart disease, premenstrual tension, postpartum depression, paranoid and hallucinatory schizophrenia, childhood hyperactivity, autism, and Wilson's disease, which is a buildup of copper in organs, and especially the heart. And some people with copper toxicity, they have a green ring around their eye. Too little copper can cause anemia, osteoporosis, depression, and irritability, and enlarged veins.
How does copper treat stomach ulcers?
By making it better, by taming them.